What's the meaning of bravery? Bravery. Bravery.
Bravery. Bravery. Bravery is the quality of showing courage in the face of danger, fear, or difficulty. It is the ability to overcome one's own fears and take action, even when the outcome is uncertain or potentially harmful. When someone displays bravery, they inspire others to do the same, and the result can be powerful. Bravery often leads to positive outcomes such as achievement, progress, and personal growth. It can also foster respect and admiration from others, and sometimes even change the course of history or make a significant impact on the world.